Creating your own pasta recipes with the KitchenAid Gourmet Pasta Press. With its impressive 6 quick-change discs, the Gourmet Pasta Press offers great versatility all in one, allowing you to make fresh spaghetti, bucatini, rigatoni, fusilli, large macaroni, or small macaroni simply by changing the pasta disc. The pasta press and all its small parts come neatly organized in its own storage case for easy access every time. Plus, a built-in wire cutter hands you complete control over the length of your pasta. An included stainless steel cleaning tool easily removes pasta dough pieces from the press and discs, helping you keep your press clean and in great condition. The auger, pasta ring, and combination tool are dishwasher safe. We recommend placing them in the top rack. Discover homemade pasta inspiration at the recipes portal on our website, where you can browse bowls, attachments, accessories, and so much more. Explore today at KitchenAid.com.